another Dollar Tree candy haul, Christmas candy haul. It's the last one I'm going to be doing because it's getting crazy out there. Only time I'm going out again is to get the stuff to make Christmas dinner. That's it. Alright. I got these Coastal Bay Confections holiday bells. I saw somebody haul these and they really liked them. So hopefully we'll like them. I got this Melster Candies Peppermint Cream Taffy. Peppermint flavored taffy filled with vanilla cream. Got the, also by Melster Candies, Cookie Swap Taffy. It has sugar cookie with vanilla cream, gingerbread with vanilla cream, and chocolate chip cookie. There's those. Hopefully these are better than the ones we had out in the fall. Got the Peppermint Bark Bar by Palmer. Also got the Peppermint Bark Old Fashioned Goodness by Palmer. And last but not least, Gourmet Chocolate Mint with rich creamy center. These kind of look like M&M's. But they're by the, I don't know how you say that. Anyway, by those people. So we're not going to start with the peppermint because then that just ruins your taste buds for everything else. We're going to start with these holiday bells. Artificially naturally flavored, naturally fat-free. This is a 9-ounce bag. 4 pieces, has 140 calories, 0 grams of fat, 0 cholesterol, 15 milligrams sodium, 34 grams sugar, 34 grams of carbs, 29 grams of sugar. Contains sugar, corn syrup, cornstarch modified, sugar, cornstarch, modified cornstarch, artificial natural flavors, titanium dioxide for color. Artificial colors including red 40, yellow 5, and blue 1. Titanium dioxide. This is what they look like. They got sugar all over them. For them. I get worried doing these Christmas candy hauls because I'm sorry. Johnny's over there licking the sugar off and he dropped it. Just eat it. Don't drop it. I like the green ones. Green ones are lime. Anyway, I definitely give these a thumbs up. So does Tony. Wish I bought more of these. But you never know with Dollar Tree candies. Like the last, Christmas candy haul I did, most of it was pure crap. So those are so good. Soft, fruity. There's only a few white ones in there, and I can't reach one of them. I'm wondering what the white tastes like, but the green was lime, and the red, I guess, was cherry. I don't know what the white is. Tommy's trying to get them out of there. Tastes like a white jelly bean. You know, the cheap jelly beans. Kind of like coconut, I think, or pineapple. I don't know. It tastes tropical. Alright, this is the Melster Candies Cookie Swap Taffy. Sugar cookie with vanilla cream, gingerbread with vanilla cream, chocolate chip cookie. 4 pieces have 110 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0.5 gram of saturated fat, 40 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of carbs, 14 grams of sugar. They have corn syrup, sugar, hydrogenated soybean oil, modified cornstarch, mono and diglycerides, salt, soy lecithin, cocoa processed with alkali, chocolate liqueur, dextrose, high fructose corn syrup, gelatin, modified soy protein, sodium hexametaphosphate, cocoa butter, non-fat dry milk, milk fat, hydrogenated palm kernel and palm oils, dry whey, blue 1, yellow 5, yellow 6, red 40, and artificial flavors. They're gluten-free and no cholesterol, though, so that's pretty good. I'm in the USA. I forgot to check and see where the bells were made from. Or made at. Not made from. Oh yeah, they're a product of Mexico. Alright. I'm gonna grab this one. I have no idea what flavor it is. I guess that was chocolate chip. I don't know. Try one of these orangish looking ones. I'm betting they're probably oh no, I'm leaning towards ginger. Could be wrong. I think that was ginger. Sorry for the loud chewing. It's getting stuck in my teeth. Those are okay. I'll probably send them to work with Tony because I don't think we'll finish them. They're not bad. They're just so-so. Alright, now we're going to get into the peppermint stuff. This is the peppermint cream taffy, peppermint flavored taffy filled with vanilla cream. Pretty much the exact same thing that was on the ingredients of the other, because it's the same brand. So I'm not going to bore you with all that. They look all festive. Got the little candy cane stripe wrapper. Hopefully they're good. I love peppermint anything, so. Except when you get the artificial peppermint, and I swear it tastes like dirt. Hopefully this don't taste like dirt. It's not bad. It makes me want those Brock's peppermint nougats, which are softer. That one I kind of liked. Yeah, so that I may buy again. If maybe it's definitely better than the cookie one. What do you think? I don't think he really likes it. Alright, now we're going to try these Columbina. I don't know how you say it. Gourmet chocolate mint with rich creamy center. 40 pieces in here. 14 units. Servings per container, about 3. So units, I don't know if they mean like the little individual packets in there, or if they mean little one piece. I don't know. Okay, 190 calories, 7 grams of fat, 2 grams of monounsaturated fat. That's surprising. 31 grams of carbs, 31 grams of sugar, sugar, cacao butter, chocolate liquor, titanium dioxide, artificial flavors, water, Arabic gum, corn syrup, soy lecithin, carnauba wax, polyglycerol, esters of interestified rhinolic acid, salt, artificial colors, FD&C red, number 40, FD&C yellow, number 5, FD&C blue 1, FD&C yellow 6. And these are from Puerto Rico. This is what the little packs look like. Some of them have red and green. Well, the red, green, and white. So, we come with 2 little candies in each one. They look like M&Ms. They have a nice crunchy shell. These are bad. I really like the shell. It's thick, it's crunchy, but then you get inside of it and it's like, ooh, something went wrong. It's kind of medicinal. Yeah, very medicinal actually. Alrighty, let's go on to the Peppermint Bark Bar White Candy Peppermint Crunch by Palmer. Palmer is made in the USA. A third of the bar contains 230 calories, 13 grams of fat, 12 grams of saturated fat. Holy dang. 25 milligrams of sodium, 29 grams of carbs, 28 grams of sugar. Sugar, hydrogenated vegetable oil, skim milk, whey, corn syrup, peppermint oil. At least it has actually peppermint oil in it. Modified cornstarch, soy lecithin, salt, vanillin, US certified color, FD&C red 40. Okay. This is what a piece of it looks like. No, it's not. I love white chocolate. White chocolate isn't real chocolate. But this tastes like really cheap crap. I mean, I hate to say it, but it tastes like just... I've seen so many people haul these and they're like, oh, these are so good. Oh, yeah, blah, 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 blah. No, that's going in the trash. That's actually that bad. Alright, so I'm really thrilled to try the other Palmer Peppermint Bark with a dark chocolatey flavored layer. You get 1/4 pound. 5 pieces is a serving. 14 grams of fat, 13 grams of saturated fat, 30 milligrams of sodium, 28 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 25 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, 2% calcium, 2% iron, sugar, hydrogenated vegetable oil, cocoa, whey, skim milk, corn syrup, peppermint oil, modified food starch, soy lecithin, salt, vanillin, and red number 40. So it's pretty much the same thing. So it's probably going to taste just crappy. Alright. that one because it doesn't have all the foil all the way around it. I'm weird like that. I mean, I'm sure. Actually, no, I think that was just a black mark on the foil. Alright. So the chocolate looks yummy. I mean, but it's probably just the same white crap, just with some chocolate on the bottom. No. So, the bells are amazing. These things are good. I mean, really good. But that's probably the only thing I'd buy again. I might buy the peppermint taffy again. But I think the worst was probably these chocolate mint things. Those were really bad. Yeah. So it started out really great. And then it went downhill. It was like whoosh. So that's just my opinion. You may love it. You never know until you try, and it's only $1. So, and you know, if you think it tastes really bad, your kids may still. Because kids, you know, all they care about is that it's sugar. So, that's it, and I'll see you next time.